Friends, Dave here. Inevitably, when I'm talking to small business owners and I ask the question, where does most of your business come from? As I said, inevitably, the answer is pretty much always word of mouth. And really, when you think about applying and adding online marketing to the efforts that you're doing, it's really because of that reason, right? Word of mouth happens online today. When you think about that, what does that mean? Well, that means people are sharing content from their favorite businesses, favorite brands, or just media, right? If you think of it that way, is they're sharing things that they find interesting, valuable, or fun, and they're sharing that with their friends, right? So they're creating word of mouth with a piece of content that somebody has created, whether that's the brand or an individual, that connects with something that they like or the person that they are. So they're sharing that word of mouth. The other thing, when you think about what's happening online these days, right? People are asking people for recommendations, right? They're reaching out to their networks and saying like, hey, does anybody know of a place that does such and such? Where's a good place to go to eat? I'm going to this place, right? And so you want to be part of those conversations. And the other thing to think about is then people are also just sharing things that really connect with them, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be anything that they are, they're searching for or particular type of thing. They're just looking for something that connects with them as the person that they are, and they want to share that with their friends as well. And so really, when you think about the opportunity for you as a small business owner, it's really to be part of more of those conversations, whether they're happening face to face or they're happening online. And ultimately, the reason why you want to share content, right? You want to use social, you want to use email, you want to use text, ultimately to keep your business top of mind. Because when somebody says like, hey, does somebody know a place that does this? Our brain automatically shortcuts to the first thing that comes to mind. And if your business is top of mind, you're going to benefit from more word of mouth, both offline and online. So something to think about there. Talk to you soon. Thanks.